What if fish migrated through the air, the way birds do? Every autumn, something shifts in the atmosphere, a pressure change, a signal older than memory. And then they rise. Thousands of bass, pike, and catfish ascending from lakes and rivers, moving through the sky in formations so dense they block out the sun for minutes at a time. Silent, purposeful, unstoppable. Their air bladders, evolved over millions of years, now regulate altitude the way they once regulated depth. The same biology, a different world. Anglers abandoned the riverbanks long ago. Now they cast from rooftops, from radio towers, reading the sky the way their grandfathers once read the water. And the fish don't notice us any more up there than they did down here. We were never really in control of this relationship. We just had home field advantage until they found a new field. The sky was always just another ocean waiting to be claimed.